Hello guys!
Hello.
Today we are doing magical scientific experiment. And see what happened when we put these eggs in different liquid. We prepared so many different kind of liquid. Eggs are made of our similar material. Has our teeth called calcium. We put eggs in each glasses with different liquid. So we can see what happened. Let's put eggs. I am putting them. Now we are going to put different liquids. This is vinegar and I am putting first vinegar. Oh no, hell.
That's it. That's it.
Vinegar is look like water. Don't drink vinegar.
Yes.
Next, black tea.
Yes. Carefully, Kian. Oh. Black tea.
It will be so much. I just small little bit. Juice.
Okay, next fruit juice. I'll open it for you.
I always love juice. My favorite is only mango. Mango juice.
Wow.
I am not. It looks like this look like orange juice. Next, water. Water don't do anything.
Water.
Water will be weak.
And
Look, the vinegar. Look, guys, it's bubbling.
vinegar. Oh, look, bubble in the vinegar. Look, guys.
Last one is Coke.
We're gonna put Coke.
I love Coke. I love Coke. I always drink Coke. I love Coke. When I drink, I love Coke. Coke is I love. It's so tasty. I wanna drink right now. I'm go inside there, egg. Now we are gonna wait one day. Let's see what happened to these eggs into different liquid. Vinegar, this is vinegar, the bubbling one. Black tea, this is black tea. You can don't see the egg.
Yes.
And this is all different kind of juice
Yes. And
and water.
very good.
And the tasty one, Coke.
Oh, wow. Drink.
I love Coke. See you tomorrow, guys. It's been one day now. Let's check what happened to the egg. Now start with water. So I don't break it. Water is good. Look, guys. If you drink water whole day, nothing happens. It's good for you. Now let's take out the juice.
Use it. Carefully, Kian.
Why you hold me? If you think juice, nothing happens. If you think juice, go and brush your teeth because it has sugar inside. Then I place my hand to this white place. Then it's making all the white. It's good. Oh, that's why you brush your teeth. It's getting out. Look, guys. When I place my finger, now next one is black tea. Oh, look, guys. There's so much cavity. What happened to the egg? It's only brown, the biggest brown line. If you don't brush your teeth after drink tea, look what happens.
Oh.
Coke.
Okay.
Look, guys,
Hold it.
don't drink Coke. It's hold the brown. Hey, guys, I know what happened. Cavity comes because of you drink this and I know something.
Yes, tell me.
If you drink juice, it's done small cavity. If you drink coffee, it makes so much cavities. If you drink Coke, it makes little bit bigger than the juice one. If you drink these three things, if you don't brush your teeth, then look what happens. Guys, this is good. This is really good, and this is small worst, and this is more worst, and this is more worst, the big worst, and I don't like the Coke one. I always drink Coke. I don't drink.
Now you will not drink Coke?
No.
Okay, I will also not drink Coke now. Now what we gonna do?
Look, my teeth just broke. Now let's get out the vinegar. Vinegar, give me the vinegar.
Hold it.
Oh, it's bouncy. Look,
Oh, what happened to this?
vinegar. It's bouncy. Dum.
Oh, it's turned into bouncy egg. What happened to this egg?
It feels so slippery.
Oh, what happened? It's become ball?
It's bouncy like a ball. I didn't know vinegar could do this. I didn't know.
Look, guys.
Don't fall right now, please.
Oh no! Oh no, guys, it's broken. Look, what happened?
This is a sale of the. Look, this is the sale of the egg, and this is.
Oh, look,
the-
guys, what happened to the shell?
Now we are gonna test it out by brush. On it, does it any effect? Here we go. Let's start brush with. First we gonna brush on black tea one. Now let's brush.
Good.
I do slowly. Guys, look, it's turning white. So, wow, brushing helps us make your teeth better. Wow, brushing makes help your teeth makes white. Upper part is brown and brushing part is white. Now we are gonna brush on the Coke one. Look, guys, not brushing part. Brushing. This is brushing part. Guys, you should do your brushing 2 times in the day and 3 minutes every time. This is water one. Is good. This is juice one. This is Coca-Cola one, and this is black tea. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time, and do brush every day. If you don't brush your teeth, look what happens. Bye bye. See you next time.